Okay, so this is lecture number 6. Here we'll see another example. So the example is I'll consider 3 example here. Okay, so DFA, all the strings belongs to AB and such that the length of string is, first let's see, at least 2. Okay, first we will see at least 2. So the length of string should be at least 2. It means the length of string should be 2 or greater than that. Okay, so whatever the strings we have, the minimum number of length should be 2 and the maximum you can have any. So it should accept all the strings of length 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, so what the language will be first, let's say. So first let's write down the see, inputs are A and B. So length of 2 strings, so it is AA, then I have AB, then I have BB, then I have BB. So this is length 2 string. Then I can have length 3, AAA, then AAB and so on, right? So first it should accept a string of length 2, then length 3, then length 4, then length 5 and so on. Okay, so let's start. First the shortest is AA. Write down A and okay, let's say it is P, Q and R. See, now this you can solve by another method also. It's a common sense only. The length of string is here 0. If you come to Q, the length of string is 1. If you come to R, the length of string is 2. Okay, here length of string will be 2. After that the length of string will be 3 and so on. Okay, so we'll see what exactly the answer. Now this is A. It should accept AB also, so it is A and B. Okay, it should accept BB also, so it is B and B. Okay, BA also, so it is B and A. Okay, now length of string 3, AAA. So see, AA. So when you will reach to R, it's simply, now here I require A and B. When you will reach to R, you will reach to R when the length of string is 2. After that, if I have length of string 3, it should be accepted. Length of string 4, it should be accepted. So basically the A and B will be self. Why? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can have any number of length. So this is the DFA, which is of at least 2. Correct? Now let's see the second. At most 2 means the maximum it will accept the length of string 2. So means the string will be, length of the string will be less than or equal to 2, means it is 0, 1 and 2 only. So it will accept the string of length 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so let's write down the language. For 0 I have epsilon. Length of string 1 means A and B. Length of string 2 means AA, AB, BA and BB. It will accept these strings only. Okay, other than that it will not accept any string. So see, it is a finite set, right? So let's start with, first it will accept epsilon. For accepting epsilon, you will say the initial state is final state. Okay, then it should accept single A also. So let's take, it should accept single A also. It should accept single B also. Let's say it is single B. Okay, then it should accept AA also. So it is, I have already A, so let's say this is R, so it is AA. Then AB, so it is AB. Then BA, so it is BA. Then BB, okay, so it is BB. So this is the thing which accepts, see here 0, 1, 2. Okay, length of string 0, length of string 1 and length of string 2. So it is accepting length of 0, 1 and 2. But now I require A and B here. So if I give one more transition of A here, so that will be length of 3. Okay, see here A and B. If I give A and B, so here the length of string will be 3 and it should not be accepted 3 or more. So I'll put here A and B. So it will not accept the length of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. So this is the DFA which is accepting the length of string 2 only. Okay, come to the third one. It should accept exactly 2. Okay, exactly 2 means only the length of string 2. Okay, so what is the language? I have AA, AB, BA and BB, right? It will accept only these strings. So let's go the basic structure, A and A. Okay, so this is my final step. Now see AA, then I have AB, then I have BA, so it is BA and BB, it is P, Q and R, correct. Now it is accepting exactly 2, but if I have from R I don't have A and B, I need to give from P I have A and B, Q I have A and B, from R I required A and B, but if I give A and B from R, that will be length of 3 and it should not accept it. Okay, so then I'll say AB and this is AB, so after that it should not be accepted, so let's say it is S. Okay, so that will go to the trap state, so it will not accept any string after the 2, it will accept exactly 2, not more than that. So if you see this automata, okay, is accepting exactly 2, this one is accepting at most 2, means 0 1 or 2, this one is accepting more than 2. Okay, so these are the DFX. Thank you.